Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox for policy file sharing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Dropbox for policy file sharing, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox website. If you already have a Dropbox account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a new one. Fill out the registration form with your name, email, and password, and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Dropbox dashboard. Locate the Settings option, usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. Click on Settings and navigate to the Security tab. Find the section titled Linked Apps. Click on Connect Apps to manage app access. You will see a variety of applications that can connect to your Dropbox. Choose the app you want to use for policy file sharing and click Connect. A new window will pop up requesting permission to access your Dropbox account. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. Once connected, you can return to your Dropbox dashboard. Upload the policy files you want to share by clicking the Upload button. Select the files from your computer and click Open to begin the upload. After your files are uploaded, locate the uploaded file in your Dropbox. Click on the file to open it, then select the Share button. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the file with. Choose whether they can edit or only view the file. After filling out the details, click Send to share the file. Your contacts will receive an email with access to the policy files. Congratulations! You have successfully authenticated with Dropbox for policy file sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.